Who should not eat papaya? If there's something believed within the weight loss plan of panacea for constipation, it's papaya. It's advisable to eat papaya in case of constipation downside. Not solely this, papaya leaves are given juice to extend platelet in case of dengue downside. Papaya is definitely a wholesome meals. Papaya is wealthy in nutritional vitamins, minerals, enzymes, that are useful to your well-being. However, nonetheless it shouldn't be consumed in some folks and a few conditions. Let's know concerning the papaya injury associated to well-being and about who mustn't eat papaya. Who mustn't eat papaya? When you have kidney stones or are in danger, cut back your consumption of papaya. It's wealthy in vitamin C, which supplies antioxidants. However, on this examine it has additionally been revealed that extreme consumption of papaya could cause kidney downside. As a result of there may be plenty of vitamin C in it. Pores in skin and respiratory allergic reactions. Papaya is excellent to your pores and skin. However, papain incorporates the enzymes and antioxidants current in it. Some folks could also be allergic to it. Truly, the enzyme papain current in papaya is known as allergen. Extra consumption of this will trigger respiratory ailments like bronchial asthma. Blood sugar. In case you are a diabetic affected person or are in danger, then you could watch out whereas consuming papaya. Consuming this will trigger blood sugar degree within the blood. This may be harmful for diabetes sufferers. Facet results of papayas, this will likely enhance the issue of constipation. Constipation. Now you'll say that papaya is a panacea for constipation. However, it might probably even have unfavorable results if taken in extra. The latex current in it might probably trigger abdomen irritation and an ache. Nevertheless, remember that papaya shouldn't be eaten in case of diarrhea. This could worsen the issue. To the kids. Youngsters beneath the age of 1 year are suggested to not give papaya. As a result of its excessive fiber meals, if kids eat it with much less water and drink, then they might have constipation downside. Pregnant girl. Pregnant ladies are additionally suggested to not eat papaya. Papaya is believed to hurt the fetus. Papaya incorporates latex, which might trigger uterine contractions.